Real estate should feel less like that and more like this. That's home services.
Okay, everybody, one last pillar that we want to talk about is Home Partners. Home Partner is a national investor that will come in and purchase homes and do a first right to purchase for your clients or for people who can't quite qualify for their own mortgage. Great program. You should look into it. If you're not using it, you should really use Home Partners. Again, my number one tip though is that you got to hang with it, and you got to post, and you got to do the little stuff that'll get you the big stuff. And Home Partners is a numbers game. So the more numbers you get out there and the more numbers that you do, the more responses, your registrations you're going to get, more registrations you'll get, more approvals, the more approvals, then the more deals that you'll eventually get down the road.